little explorers! Are you ready for a desert adventure? Today, we are traveling to the sunny Coachella Valley in California, USA. It's time for the world-famous Coachella Music Festival. Everyone is wearing glitter and dancing to the music. But wait, did you know this desert is also home to some amazing wild animals? That's right. Today, we are going to meet 10 wild neighbors who live right here in the Coachella Desert. Let's see who is joining the party. Let's begin the list. The desert kit fox, the tiny dancer. Meet the desert kit fox. They are the smallest foxes in North America, about the size of a small house cat. Look at those giant pointy ears. They use them to hear tiny insects moving deep under the sand. Did you know? Their big ears also work like a radiator. They help the fox release heat so they stay nice and cool during the hot Coachella days. Instead of sweating, they stay cool by staying in their cozy underground dens all day and coming out to dance and play when the sun goes down. They have furry feet that act like tiny snowshoes so they don't sink into the soft sand. The desert tortoise, the slow groover. They have thick, stumpy legs and a very hard shell that acts like a protective shield against the desert elements. They spend 95% of their lives in deep underground burrows, where the air is much cooler than the surface. They move very slowly and steadily. It takes them a long time to travel, so they enjoy the music one slow, careful step at a time. The coyote, the night singer. They look like slim, clever dogs with bushy tails that stay low when they run. Their coats are the color of the desert sand to help them hide. To avoid the heat, they take long naps in the shade during the day and only wake up when the air gets chilly at night. They are incredible runners and love to sing in a loud choir. When the festival lights come on, you might hear them howling along to the beat. The Roadrunner, the speed star. They have a cool feathery crest on their head that they can pop up when they are excited or curious about the music. They stay cool by reducing their activity during the hardest part of the day, standing perfectly still under a cactus. They can run up to 20 miles per hour, that are the fastest street dancers on the desert floor, zipping past everyone else. The black-tailed jackrabbit, the big ears. They have incredibly long back legs and ears that are almost as long as their whole body. They sit very still in the shade of a bush and let the desert breeze blow against their giant ears to cool their blood down. When they get excited, they can leap over 20 feet in one single jump. That is one giant festival hop across the sand. The bighorn sheep, the VIP guest. The males have massive curved horns that can weigh up to 30 pounds. That's as heavy as a big bag of dog food. They can go for weeks without drinking water by getting moisture from the desert plants they eat. Their hooves have a special rubbery grip, just like natural hiking boots, so they can jump and dance on steep, rocky cliffs without slipping. The Gambel's quail, the party hat bird. They wear a floppy black feather on their forehead, called a topknot. It looks exactly like a tiny party hat. They love to gather in the shade of desert trees, huddling together to stay out of the direct California sun. Instead of flying, they prefer to waddle run in big family groups. It looks like a happy family parade moving through the festival. The sidewinder rattlesnake, the sand shaker. They have tiny horns over their eyes that act like umbrellas to keep the blowing sand out while they watch the show. By moving sideways, they make sure only 2 points of their body touch the burning hot sand at any time. They move in a beautiful S shape, gliding across the desert floor like a professional dancer, performing a smooth sand ballet. The burrowing owl, the day watcher. These are tiny owls with very long legs and bright yellow eyes that can see everything happening on the festival stages. They stay cool by moving into underground homes that were built by squirrels or tortoises, where it stays nice and chilly. They love to bob their heads up and down when they are interested in something. It looks like they are nodding along to the festival beat. The chuckwalla, the rock star. They are big, chunky lizards with loose, wrinkly skin that makes them look like they are wearing a baggy festival shirt. They bask in the morning sun to charge their batteries and then hide in deep rock cracks when it gets too hot. When they are scared, they crawl into a crack and inflate their bodies like a balloon so they stay stuck safely inside. Wow, what a team! But before we go, let's learn some Coachella Fun Facts. Fact 1. The festival is held at the Empire Polo Club. It is a giant green space that stays lush and beautiful right in the middle of the dry desert. Fact 2. Coachella is located in the Colorado desert. It is so huge that the festival happens over 2 weekends in a row. Fact 3. People at Coachella love art. There are giant sculptures all over the fields. Some look like huge astronauts, and others like colorful towers as tall as buildings. Fact 4. The Giant Ferris Wheel is 150 feet tall and glows with millions of colors at night. It gives you a view of the whole valley, just like an eagle sees it. Fact 5. The festival is world famous for its fashion. You will see glitter, colorful hats, and beautiful flower crowns everywhere you look. Which desert superstar was your favorite? Was it the tiny kit fox or the speedy Roadrunner? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild adventures around the world. Thank you for watching, little stars. See you at the next show. Bye-bye.